Welcome to UK Immigration Solicitors, your trusted partner for immigration services. Today, let's discuss the Spouse Visa UK. A spouse visa allows non-UK residents married to British citizens or settled persons to live together in the UK. Here's what you need to know. Eligibility. You must be legally married or in a civil partnership, and your relationship must be genuine. Both of you must be at least 18 years old and intend to live together in the UK. Financial requirements. You must meet a minimum income threshold of £29,000 per year, higher if you have dependent children. This can come from salary, savings, or a combination of both. English language requirement. You need to pass an approved test unless you're from an English-speaking country or have a relevant degree taught in English. Application process. Gather documents like your marriage certificate, proof of relationship, financial evidence, and pass the TB test if required. Complete forms and attend a biometric appointment. Our expert solicitors guide you through each step, ensuring your application is complete and accurate. We assist from initial consultation to submitting your application and preparing for interviews. Ready to start your journey? Contact us at 0203-384-4389 or visit our website for a free assessment. Let's make your move to the UK a reality. For more content like this, visit our YouTube channel at www.youtube.com/@UKimmigrationSolicitors.